There can be no better way of celebrating 100 years of cinema than to get students involved in the process, whereby they learn and they teach others. The kind of research that has gone in, the kind of passion that is exhibited in all the panels of exhibition, and particularly in the wonderful installations that have been done, make it an experience for all of us who, belonging to the film industry, find it really invigorating to have all this placed in front of us. It's like walking through a library. It's a very, very important effort, and I congratulate all the students for doing so much with so little resources.
As students of cinema, I consider myself one as well, and I think everybody who's a part of this creative process will recognize the fact that the journey is never ending. It keeps continuing, and I think when you get exposed to an experience such as I have today, where you walk into Whistling Woods, that has, encouraged and motivated their students to come forward and put their thoughts and their ideas and their plans across, covering the whole diaspora of Indian cinema, covering the 100 years of Indian cinema. It's been really motivating for me. I think I'm going to go away very enriched today and very, very excited that the future of Indian cinema is looking very bright.
I think it's very, very good, encouraging and very inspiring to see so many students and they are taking part in celebrating the 100 years of Indian cinema. I think it's very, very inspiring.
Well, I can say that this is my first visit to Whistling Woods. I've been hearing a lot of things about, I did hear a lot of things about Whistling Woods, and all of them are complimentary. But in spite of that, in spite of my high expectations, I was pleasantly surprised what I have seen here. And more power to Mr. Ghai and all those who are involved in this great endeavor. Is very positive, and it is so sad that instead of getting bouquets of appreciation, quite often this institution has received brickbats of criticism. I intend to talk to any person about this institution, and I think we need to protect, nurture and help this institution, and it's a very, very positive step in the right direction. We need these kind of institutions, and I can see, I went around and I can see some great work is being done here.
ये कितनी अनोखी बात है कि उनमें से बहुत कम ऐसे लोग थे जिन्होंने अपने बारे में नहीं दूसरों के बारे में सोचा। मुझे सुभाष घाई को और व्हिस्लिंग वुड को इसलिए सारे नंबर देने पड़ते हैं कि सुभाष घाई वो पहले आदमी हैं जिन्होंने अपने बारे में नहीं सोचा, बल्कि फिल्म मेकर्स की आने वाली नस्लों के बारे में सोचा। और जो काम उन्होंने किया है व्हिस्लिंग वुड की इस यूनिवर्सिटी कहना चाहिए, इंस्टीट्यूट कहना चाहिए, वो बहुत बड़ा काम है। आज हम लोग चूँकि बहुत करीब से इसको देखते हैं तो हमें इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस का अंदाज़ा नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन एक वक्त आएगा जब यहाँ से निकलने वाले बच्चे जो हैं वो नए तजुर्बे करेंगे, नए काम करेंगे और बड़े काम करेंगे। उस वक्त हम बड़े फ़ख्र के साथ ये कह सकेंगे कि व्हिस्लिंग वुड ने वो काम किया जो पिछले 100 साल में न किसी ने सोचा न किया। माय हैट्स ऑफ टू व्हिस्लिंग वुड एंड सुभाष घाई।